Hey everyone, in the course of my infinite wisdom, I neglected to charge my phone yesterday, so ran out of battery halfway through recording. But here it is. I tried to prevent from having to take the panel out, but it seemed like the most logical thing to do. So to take the panel out, what you'll need to do is you'll need to remove this trim piece next to the door handle, and it will expose two Torx screws. A bolt right here and right here, and at the bottom there are also two more Torx screws. So you can remove those 4 screws, and then you pop out all these trim tabs right here all along the perimeter of the panel. You pop them out with a trim tool. Don't use anything metallic. And what happens is it'll pop out, and then it hangs onto the ledge. You're going to lift it off and bring it out. And once that's done, you'll expose all 3 screws holding the rear view mirror in. And once that's done, you can just go ahead and unmount it.